Okay, let's see if we can get up there. All right. This is the Heybike Mars folding fat tire e-bike, and I'm going to put this bike through some grueling tests and do a proper review on this bike and let you know whether this is junk or not. I'm going to take this e-bike on my private trails on my country property for some rough off-roading, riding up steep inclines and seeing exactly just how capable this Heybike Mars truly is. And by the way, I am not sponsored by them. I was not paid. I was just provided this bike to do a review, but I let them know that I will keep it real with my viewers and let them know if this is junk or not. But they were confident that they have an excellent e-bike. So we'll see. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
First off, if you want to get this folding e-bike, I have a link to it in the description and comment section of this video. And if you click on that link, there is a coupon there where you can save a good chunk of money. First off, what this bike is for, you can fold this bike and put it into pretty much any car trunk and travel with it. You can commute with this, fold it up, take it in the office with you. It only weighs 66 pounds. See, check this out. You can lift this up here. Look at this. One arm, super lightweight, guys. And it folds up really nice and even has folding pedals here. This bike has a 500 watt motor. It does 20 miles per hour, has a range, they say, of 37 miles in full electric mode or 48 miles in pedal assist. I got much different results, and you'll see in this video. And I do everything from off-roading on the street, riding up hills and everything. And I test out these 20x4 fat tires. They say are puncture resistant and can ride over sand, snow, off-roading, street, can do a little bit of everything. You'll see in this video. Like I said, it does have a 7-speed shifting here with this Shimano shifter, and I'll tell you, I never had the chain derail on me, which I thought was great, and it shifted smooth, no problems. It has a 48 volt 12.5 amp hour lithium battery here that charged for me in about 7 hours. You can charge it on the bike, or you can lift the seat up. It has a handle here, you can slide the battery out, slide it back in. It has a key here. Also, it has display here that displays your odometer. It's got the miles per hour, which you can change that over if you want. It does have the your max speed that you did, average. It even has a trip meter, total time for your trip, and watt power output, which I think is really cool, real time. It has a backlit display on there. It has mechanical brakes, which when I first did a little test ride in the garage here, and I thought the brakes were soft, but I broke them in and the brakes are better and they're adequate for this bike. Also, this bike comes with a 2-year warranty. It does have front suspension here that is not adjustable, but you can lock it out here. So when you're on the street, you can lock that suspension out, and then when you go head off-road, open it back up so you get some dampening when you ride off-road. Does have like a seat post suspension here, helps dampen when you're riding off-road, and you'll see in this video, and I'll talk about that. It has a rack here. This is very sturdy. Has a tail light. It has a headlight here, LED headlight, and we'll put that to the test because it gets really pitch black out here in the country, and you'll see how that performs. Has a horn. Okay, enough of the overview of that. Let's put it to the test and let's see what this thing can do. All right, man. I like the kickstand, by the way. I think this is a good kickstand, man. It has stayed planted in the ground every time, anywhere I put it on hills, everything, man. I tell you that right off the jump. Okay, the suspension, I'm going to keep that open. I'm not going to lock it because I'm going to go on the trails. When I get on the street, I can lock it if I want. Okay, what gear? We'll start it off here. I got it in first gear. Okay, we'll put it on third gear. The lower gears is going to help you get up the hill, and then of course the taller gears is going to get you on flat ground, get you going faster. I got it on level 3. From what I found out is speed number 1 will do up to like 10 miles an hour. Speed level 2 will do like up to close to 15, and then 3 will do up to the top speed of 20 miles per hour. And okay, so we'll get started here It's freewheel. Okay, it's got freewheel, front and rear, mechanical brakes like I said, and we'll be testing those to a stop. I can either do electric by pressing this paddle here, pressing this thumb paddle for acceleration, or I can start pedaling and the power will kick in. Okay, we'll start off pedaling and see if the power kicks in. Okay, whoa, man, it makes it really easy. Wow. Okay, now we'll just do electric and we'll head on my trails here. Okay, all right, suspension's not bad, man. Oh, I just went through some mud. Front tire almost went out on me, slid out on me. All right, it's a bit jarring in the bars. Obviously this is not premium suspension, but I am really surprised on how well this is handling off-road, man. Oh my goodness. And now I'm doing pedaling assist. Okay, wow, this is awesome, man. Wow, tires are gripping good. Okay, going down here in the down part here, down in the holler. All right, checking the holler. Oh my god. Oh, and I tell you, the suspension on the seat post is working good, man. This seat is comfortable. Okay, now this is the tough part, guys. This is the steepest hill on my property here. There's a little drop down here and it goes up. Okay, we'll see what it can do. I have to put it in first gear. So I'm gonna press the throttle in full, and also I'm gonna do pedal assist. Okay, let's see if we can get up there. All right, I did it. It did it, man. Woo! Now just electric only, it struggles. See, up the hill alone, but you do pedal plus electric amp, and man, you press the throttle in and pedal assist, get you right up the hill, no problem. All right, I am really surprised how this thing's now jumping a bit and jarring, but I am shocked. Oh my gosh. For such an inexpensive e-bike, guys. See, right now we're going up this hill, and check this out, full electric. It's going up slowly, but once I do pedal assist, it goes up, no problem. And you get a cardio workout, and it's easy on your joints because you're just doing easy pedaling. So for those of you that have joint issues in your knees or something, these e-bikes are great. No pressure on your joints, but you get the cardio workout and enjoy the ride. Now see, at full electric, I'm going up this steep part, barely does it, but then a pedal assist, bam, does it every time. Pedal assist plus the throttle, by the way, gets me up any hill so far. Okay, and I need to do more cardio. As you can see, I'm out of shape, man. I am just really surprised how this is handling. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Okay, we're going this is the new part of the trail I created. All right, check this out. All right, oh my gosh, it's jarring. Like I said, it's jarring. It's not, but it's rideable and it gets you anywhere off-road. Okay, now I'm doing full electric here. Wow, pedal assist now. Oh my gosh. This is cool, dude. This is cool, man. This thing, oh my gosh, for the cheap price this thing could do all of this, guys. Oh my gosh, it could take this like a champ. And this is a raw, rugged trail here, man. I just created this part on my property not too long ago. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's fun. Check it out. It's handling like a boss. Just went over a stump. These fat tires go over everything, man. Okay, now we'll drop down here. See, whoa, it's terrifying at first. Look at that, it did it no problem, man. Drop down the steep hill there. Oh my gosh. Okay, going through here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you can do a rough single track on this guy. And it's so lightweight, you can lift it up over logs easy. It's not fast, but it gets you off road, man. It's a class 2 e-bike, so it does 20 miles an hour. So if it were any faster, you'd have to get it plated. Check this out. See, I'm doing pedal assist right now. Look at that. Changing gears. Look at this. Bam. Second, third. Changes gears. Smooth. Man, I'm surprised. The shifter, Shimano shifter, shifting smoothly. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Going up this hill. Easy. Doing pedal assist here though. We'll do full electric. See, full electric, it struggles up hills, but you do acceleration plus pedal assist, and bam, get you right up any hill, no problems. Man, that's sick, dude. Handles easy. Wow. This is a bike anybody can ride. Super easy. It feels weird. It's different. The stance of the bike, it's like you're on a stationary electric bike in the gym or something, but you're actually out here riding with it. We'll do full stop. Okay. Bam, all brake. Bam. See the brakes? All they needed is some braking in. And look at that. Stops on a dime. Now let's go see top speed on this. Okay. Do top speed. Take it out here on the street now. See what it can do. I'm really impressed with it off-road, guys. Seriously. Seriously. Obviously not. Has no adjustment in the front suspension, but man, it works. It's rideable. See, we got, there we go, 18, 20. There you go. It does 20 as advertised. I'm kind of on a downslope now, so it's going a little faster than 20. That's why it's hitting 23. Okay, now we'll take it back up because it's a slight incline up. Okay, see the brakes? Bam! It stops. It's good. It's adequate for this bike. I was wrong about the brakes. Okay. Okay, let me drop this down. The one we're going up the hill. Okay, we'll get up, put it in the granny gear, first gear. All right. This is all electric here, going up this slight hill here. As you can see, it's slow, but then when I hit pedal assist plus holding the throttle in, look at this. And I have to go up in gears here. Bam. Look at that. Throttle plus pedal assist. Bam. Man, basically a $1,000 e-bike that can go off-road on a gnarly single track. I mean, not ridiculously gnarly, but trust me, that's a rough single track. And it handled it no problem, man. Handled that hill, even though I did have to use a pedal assist plus throttle to get up the steep hill, but it did it. It did it. You know, this seat post suspension really works, man. I tell you, it keeps your bum okay. And I'm surprised. The seat is pretty comfortable, man. And I didn't think that seat, I thought that seat suspension was going to be more like a gimmick or something, but it really helps big time. Okay, I need to drop the gears. You do pedal assist plus throttle, man. It's going up the hill right now. The LED light works pretty good, man. There's a headlight there.
Here's what it looks like riding in pitch black dark with this LED headlight on. It's pretty good.
Tail light does not light up when you hit the brakes. This is kind of just for safety. From my understanding, the company told me they do, on some of the bikes, they have another version that does have where it's a brake light too. This thing is cool, man. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised. Like I said, I thought this thing was gonna be like a toy. This thing is a legit e-bike here, and versatile. Fold it up, throw it in the car, go travel with it. Oh my gosh, man. Take it to work, fold it up, take it in the office with you. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome, man. Although I think this is a great bang for your buck folding fat tire e-bike that can ride on pretty much any terrain, super versatile and anybody can ride it, there are some cons of this bike. Like I said, I'm going to keep it real with you. The number one con is that I only got a range of 22.1 miles before the battery died. They advertised 36 miles in full electric and 48 miles in pedal assist only mode, although I did ride 85% off-road and only 15% on-road, so that is to be expected to get less range riding mostly off-road, and I did use a mix of both pedal assist and full electric power. I feel like if you ride this on a flat street, you definitely could get 30 plus mile range and definitely get 40 plus mile range riding in pedal assist only mode. So I was actually pleasantly surprised to get 22.1 mile range. Now mind you, when I hit about 20 miles and I hit the throttle, it pretty much died, but it still allowed me to pedal. It did the pedal assist still for about a couple of miles, which I was surprised. Another con is the suspension. It was pretty jarring at the bars. Obviously, the front fork is not adjustable. It does do some dampening, though. And that seat shock actually pleasantly surprised me because it did dampen some of the, the bumps of my trail. My trails are pretty rough, guys. And I rode on that seat all through my trails. And my butt was just fine. I was surprised. Another thing that I don't like is the leather grips on those bars. They're not comfortable at all. They're okay. But if you throw on a pair of shorty gloves or biker gloves that have gel inserts or padding, you'll be just fine. The narrow bars are kind of weird, but they have to be on this bike because this is a compact bike. Otherwise, if you had wide bars, you'd have a tough time fitting this in the trunk of your car. Also, a big con is that in pedal only mode, not using any electricity, just using it as a bicycle, it struggles going uphill. But nobody's going to buy this bike to use as only a bicycle, and it rides just fine on a flat surface, no problem pedaling it. It's just going up hills, but you do the pedal assist plus hit the throttle and it'll go up any hill. At least it did for me with my experience of riding all day yesterday, all around here, my trails and streets that's got hills everywhere. But it's like riding a stationary bike at your gym. It's kind of odd feeling, but not bad. And I got kind of used to it. But overall, I have to say, guys, none of these cons are a deal breaker, at least for me. But I just want to let you guys know. But anyways, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this bike. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you want to get this bike, there's a link in the description and comment section of this video. So I hope this review was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my All On Motorcycle channel. Make sure to hit that bell symbol so that you don't miss when my new videos are released. Also hit thumbs up. Share this video. Also make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Till next time, catch you guys later. Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.